Hey, welcome back to the channel. This is the first set of videos I'm making in many months, and it's been hard getting back on the horse, so I appreciate you coming and checking it out. They're going to be the same old slow TV videos. I really enjoy the format of going along and having a video log of my trip and what I'm doing, and yeah, I mean, that turns me on. I like that. It's a good thing. And you get to see just how relaxing and zen this process is. Until it's not, but you know what I'm talking about. I've come up onto Spruce Knob in Monongahela Forest, West Virginia. I think it's the highest point in the park. It's park, whatever, in the forest. It's beautiful up here. It's a fun drive. And there's a nice trail around the top of the peak, and this scree fall comes off one end of that trail. Let's get this shot set up. It'll be light enough to start shooting soon, and looks like we might actually have some clouds blowing in too, which, no, probably not. I've just been praying for clouds. It's been so clear, which is great at night. I've gotten some nice shots of the Milky Way. It's a perfect time of year for it. All right, so I'm going to get this shot. I'm going to set up and shoot the next knob over and see what that does for me. I thought at first I'd like this shot more than I do now. We'll see how it ends up. It may be passable. Isn't that what this is all about, is getting something you really just like? And I think I like it. I think I got the shot of the morning. I'm shooting way off into the distance, and the sun kissing the tops of these hills is just amazing. And here comes even stronger sun. Man. We're talking pure compositional elements. I love layers on layers and layers and layers that go off into the distance. And I think it's a really important technique to making a solid landscape photograph. Especially in the mountains, you'll see, even if it's a foreground shot, it's going to have layers and layers in the back. And if those layers don't play well with one another and stack in the correct way and do something interesting, then they're not going to be a good shot. It's not going to be a good composition. So I've been shooting layers of the mountains back here, layer, all of it with that nice blue light we get here, hence the name Blue Ridge. And the view from Spruce Knob up here is just breathtaking. It's absolutely beautiful. So. such a clear night, we decided to head to Spruce Knob Lake to squeeze in some astrophotography. So good morning. I decided to come to Spruce Knob Lake this morning to shoot sunrise, and it's pretty impressive. I mean, you can see all the fog flowing around me, and the leaves are probably about at peak today, and I'm shooting down in these pine trees. Nothing to do with the leaves, but it's not really light enough yet for that, because the fog is around these pine trees at the end of the lake, and it's making a really cool effect. I'm doing the good old-fashioned reflection in the water of the sky. I think overall it's kind of a cool shot. A little bit of cloud today. Probably would have been nice on top of the knob, but this is spectacular, so I am not complaining. So I found these great ferns under these pine trees, and it's phenomenally beautiful. I think these are spruce, actually. I shouldn't call them pine because they're not, they're spruce. But this is beautiful. This is very much my taste. The trees have hit really nice color, and yeah, I sort of on a whim decided to come here, and it was beautiful. But thanks for joining me again. Hey, listen, if you can, give it a thumbs up. That helps my channel more than anything else. And please subscribe. Subscribing is also really important. I appreciate you joining me, and see you again soon. Bye-bye.